In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a video meeting using Google Meet. Whether you're planning to meet with colleagues, catch up with friends, or hold a family video session, Google Meet offers a straightforward and efficient way to connect virtually. Let's dive right into it and walk through the process step by step. The first thing you need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Meet website. You can easily do this by typing Google Meet into your search bar and clicking on the official link. Once you're there, you'll be welcomed with a clean and simplified interface. It's designed to make starting or joining meetings as seamless as possible. Now, let's consider how to initiate your meeting. Look for the button that says New Meeting. Clicking this will present you with a few options, allowing you to tailor your meeting to best suit your needs. This flexibility is great because whether you plan on hosting a meeting immediately or scheduling it for a future date, Google Meet has you covered. If you're planning to host a meeting at a later time, select the option that says Create a Meeting for Later. This will generate a unique link for you. You can then share this link with your attendees so they can join at the specified time. It's particularly useful for organizing meetings in advance and ensuring everyone has the correct details to join in. To keep things even more organized, there's a convenient feature where you can schedule your meeting directly in Google Calendar. By choosing Schedule in Google Calendar, you're taken straight to a calendar event setup page. Here you can specify the meeting date and time, invite participants, and even set reminders. It's a brilliant way to keep your professional and personal video interactions tidy and accessible. Though planning ahead is valuable, there are times when an impromptu meeting is necessary. If that's the case, you'll want to use the Start an Instant Meeting option. Clicking this will immediately launch a new meeting, enabling you to invite participants on the spot. It's perfect for quick catch-ups or when ideas strike and you can't wait to share them. In summary, starting a video meeting with Google Meet is highly intuitive and adaptable to different scenarios. Whether you need to plan ahead or dive into an immediate virtual gathering, the tools provided by Google Meet offer a convenient solution. So, the next time you need to connect with someone visually, you'll have the confidence and know-how to set up a Google Meet video conference effortlessly. Thank you for joining today, and I hope you have a productive and seamless meeting experience.